Are you tired of manually replying to every Google review? Activate a free AI agent that grows your business profile on autopilot. I'll show you exactly where to click inside Semrush to activate the AI agent. Follow these 11 simple steps. Go to Semrush folders to take control of your data. Click on the highlighted area to proceed. Click on the next highlight to move forward. Click on the following highlight to continue. Click on the AI agent that grows your Google business profile. Then click on Activate My AI Agent to get started. Click on the highlighted element. Click on the next highlight to proceed. Click on Continue to move to the next step. Click on the highlighted area to confirm. Click on Put Your Business on a Map to complete the setup. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.